Hello guys, in today's video, the HOTWAV, well-known brand of rugged devices, has just released a new smartphone, the Hyper 7, featuring a eye-catching Mehat style design on the back, as well as the RGB dynamic light and a super LED camping light from the front. There is a 6.6-inch 120Hz refresh rate display. Inside brings an excellent Dimensity 7050 5G processor, up to 20GB of RAM. There is a lot more, so be sure to watch this HOTWAV Hyper 7 video review to find out all the details. The smartphone now comes with a traditional black box with the red HOTWAV logo. So let's start with the boxing. What else do we have here except for our smartphone? The detailed phone uses a manual written in many languages, SIM pin, the USB OTG cable which serves is to be able to control and charge USB devices. Then we have the USB Type-C charging cable, the 33-watt fast charger, and additional screen protector, which is a temporary glass with wipes, even though the phone already has a factory installed screen protector out of the box. And that was the contents of this package. Now let's move on to our smartphone. The HOTWAV Hyper 7 5G is a robust smartphone designed for users who demand durability and high performance. Its key design features include its eye-catching Meha style design. The back side is smooth with the TPU edges, which provides a pleasant and a secure feeling to the touch, while also giving a modern futuristic look. But don't let the design fool you, this phone is a real fighter. With IP68 and IP69K certifications, it's resistant to dust, dirt and water, while the military standard guarantees that it will withstand shocks and extreme temperatures. It's a phone for those who want to take care of the device while working in challenging and difficult conditions that classic smartphone would not withstand. The Hyper 7 during March 17 to 26 comes with an incredible price of only $179.99 on Aliexpress. The link is below this video, so hurry up if you are interested in this cool smartphone. Now let's take a look at external features of this phone. On the right side of the phone, in this dark grey metal frame, we find this volume up and down button, and below its power button doubles as a fingerprint reader. On the opposite side we have a SD card tray that has two free slots, which we have option for fully functional two 5G nano SIM cards at the same time, or one SIM card and a micro SD card of up to 2TB. A little lower we can see this perforated red button, which can be customized to perform various functions within the phone or compatible applications. This button can be activated with a single click, double click or long press, so this one button has three different functions according to your wishes. On the bottom side of the phone there is a USB Type-C port covered by the rubber seal that guarantees 100% water resistance. Around it we find the microphone hole and the grills for very loud speakers, also waterproof. When you turn on the Hyper 7 Pro, you get greeted by the stunning 6.6-inch FHD Plus screen. Its resolution of 2480 by 1008 pixels provides a crystal clear picture, really pleasant to the eyes, and with the refresh rate of up to 120Hz, everything you do on this phone, from scrolling to applications to watching movies, looks smooth and flawless. On the front, in the teardrop notch, there is an excellent 32-megapixel camera that ensures that your selfies are captured with a sharp detail and vibrant colors. And video calls always run smoothly, all with the face unlock feature available. The image quality of the Hyper 7 screen is remarkable, offering wide viewing angles, vibrant colors and crystal clear content reproduction. distinguish itself with the exceptional quality. Those who like to watch a lot of YouTube videos or movies on the platforms like Netflix or similar, for those who like to scroll through social networks, the Hyper 7 presents a fantastic choice that enhances the video watching and the content consumption experience. Now let's take a closer look at the back of the HOTWAV Hyper 7, where some of its most impressive features are housed. Starting from the vertical mounted camping LED light, this isn't just an ordinary flashlight, it's a powerhouse delivering up to 280 lumens of brightness. Powered by the phone's massive 10,800 mAh battery, is designed for extended use, perfect for outdoor adventures. The light, equipped with around 510 LED beads and 6 watts of power, is capable of casting beams over long distance, making it ideal for camping, hiking and outdoor adventures. Another impressive thing about this smartphone is this color RGB dynamic light illuminates to alert your phone calls, notifications, when charging, when listening to music in a party mode and much more. A retro yet timeless touch that adds a unique sense of interaction, a useful thing that attracts eyes wherever you appear. When it comes to photography, the Hyper 7 makes no compromise. With its huge main camera lens, it looks really impressive. Features the OmniVision 64 megapixel main camera powered by the PureCell Plus technology for exceptional quality with the option of recording 4K video with electronic image stabilization. Thanks to advanced pixel binding, you'll capture sharp, clear images in any lighting. And there is also auxiliary camera here. With the 4K video at 30 fps, it's ideal for recording your outdoor adventures in stunning detail and clarity with natural colors. To truly appreciate the camera capabilities, check out some sample photos and videos taken with the Hyper 7, so let's take a look. Beneath its eye-catching mecha-style design and rugged armor, the Hyper 7 packs a powerhouse of technology designed to thrill and impress. At its core, it's a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 5G octa-core processor, a cutting-edge 6nm chip that blends efficiently with high performance. Now, whether you are tackling everyday tasks or diving into the latest high-demanding games, this processor ensures smooth and responsible operation, making the most out of every up-end game. What truly sets the Hyper 7 apart from other smartphones is a large memory capacity with a base of 8GB RAM, further expandable by 12GB of virtual RAM, totaling of incredible 20GB RAM capacity. Say goodbye to any slowdowns or lag. Here and now, multitasking becomes unquestionable. You can glide between multiple apps, streaming HD content, and engage in resource-intensive activities without a hinge. The colossal RAM paired with the UFS 3.1 memory, a capacity of 256GB of internal storage expandable to 2TB for all those hungry for additional storage space, guarantees that space and the speed are never an issue, catering perfectly to the needs of power users and mobile gamers alike. Almost even the most demanding games from the Google Play Store will run smoothly and fluidly on this smartphone. And then there is this battery. The Hyper 7 is armed with a 10,800 mAh battery, ensuring that your adventures aren't cut short by a dying phone. Whether you are gaming, navigating, or exploring the wilderness, this battery is designed to keep up. When it's time to recharge, the 33W fast charging feature quickly brings your device back to life, so you're never left waiting. On the software side, the Hyper 7 runs on the latest Android 14, offering a clean and bloatware-free experience. It's packed with the essential Google apps and the latest functions, with practical pre-installed tools like a system manager and the all-purpose toolbox, making it an ideal companion for any situation, especially in challenging environments. Connectivity is another area where the Hyper 7 shines. It supports global 5G networks, delivering lightning-fast internet speeds for smooth streaming, quick downloads, and responsible online gaming. Wi-Fi 6 provides faster speeds and better coverage, while accurate navigation is guaranteed through the GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou systems, ensuring you stay on course no matter where you are. Additionally, with NFC, Bluetooth 5.2 and other robust wireless options, you always connect and ready to anything. Durability is the heart of the Hyper 7's design. Built to meet the strict mil-STD 810H standard, this phone is crafted to endure the harshest conditions, drops and impacts from all angles. Whether you are facing extreme weather, rough handling, or exposure to the dust and water intrusion, the Hyper 7 stands tall with the IP68, IP69K ratings, offering top tire protection and reliability anytime and anywhere. The Hyper 7 isn't just a good-looking futuristic smartphone, it's a companion that stands by your side through thick and thin, ready to perform in any situations with unwavering reliability and power. The Hyper 7 from March 17 to 26 comes with the incredible price of only $179.99 on Aliexpress. The link is below this video, so hurry up if you are interested in this cool smartphone. Hurry up, get it today because quantities are limited. That's all for now, see you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.